Hello friends, in this video, I will show how to use a phone camera as a webcam, so let's start. At first, we need to download a software named as iVCAM. Go to your internet browser and search iVCAM. Now, go to their official site and download the iVCAM software for Windows version. Click Download. Download started. Friends, for your information, I already download and installed the iVCAM software on my PC. I show this process just for your understanding. Download complete. Now click for install. Accept the license agreement and click next, next and install for setup complete. Setup complete, click finish. iVCAM is open and waiting for connection. Now go to your phone. Go to the Play Store on your phone and install the iVCAM application. Search iVCAM webcam and click install. iVCAM webcam installation is complete. Now click for open. Allow all storage for video, image, and sound. My phone is connected to my PC as a webcam. Let's see the final view on my desktop and phone. We can see that my phone camera is shown on my iVCAM software as a webcam. Friend, when you join any virtual meeting from your desktop, then you don't need to buy an extra web camera. You can use your phone as a webcam with iVCAM software. I hope, after watching this video, now you can use your phone as like a webcam. If you have any queries about the iVCAM application, then type me in the comment box. Thanks for watching this video. Please, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more new tech and ICT related videos.